What's up, guys? It's your girl, I'm Lake Curls, and I'm back with another freaking video. So I'm gonna keep on saying that intro until I can finally find an intro for me. To the new people that's here, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment, and join the I'm Lake Curls life, cause you know I be what's popping. So today, y'all, I'm doing a video on me putting my wig on, and I'm gonna crinkle it. So this what I got. I got this crinkler thing, and it's bed head, whatever, you know. And I really been wanting to do this, I ain't lying. And I got my flat iron so I can straighten the top of my wig and stuff. I already know it's gonna be so pretty, bro. So I'm really not gonna talk a lot in this video, just a heads up. So therefore, I'm gonna just let y'all know, like, I'm not gonna be talking a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna install my wig, and everything's probably gonna be fast paced. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what I do. If I use any products, I'm gonna show y'all the products, all of that. Make sure y'all watch the video all the way to the end. I really appreciate all my supporters and stuff like that who helped me. So let's get straight into the video, guys. So I just finished braiding my hair, and the next thing I'm gonna do is put my wig on and brush it, and then I'm gonna go into the crinkling and stuff like that. So I'm gonna tell y'all the products that I got. To be honest, I don't really use products on my wigs because, like, I don't want them to look greasy. But I got this so it can stay down, and then I'm gonna use my brush, which is this one, and yeah, that's it. I am gonna put edge control on there. I'm gonna show y'all that later and stuff. So I'm gonna just go ahead and install the wig right quick and get it on my head straight. So what's good, y'all? I'm back. So I put the wig on. I still haven't, the edges are still, you know, slumped. Yeah, the wig still, I just put it on just now. So what I'm about to do is get this part together so y'all can get into it, because it's been in a ponytail for a minute now, and it's time to shake it back. You know the vibes. Y'all, I really enjoy talking to y'all. If y'all new to my channel, go subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And let's get straight into curling and styling and profiling. You know. So, as I told y'all, I'm using my flat iron and I'm using my crinkler. Now, my thing is, I don't know if I want to flat iron it first and then crinkle it, which that's what I think I'm going to do because that's my smartest choice. But I just want to let y'all know, if you don't have the elastic headband on the wig, or if your wig don't have the clamps inside, you can use bobby pins or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like something that'll stay. I glued the front of my wig so it won't come off. But I feel like once you put the got to be glue, but make sure you hold your wig down while you're brushing it, because I don't, maybe it's just me, but I like to hold mine down. Okay, so this is some good hair, y'all. Okay. So yeah, if you don't have the elastic headband or no clamps in it, just make sure it's glued and stuff like that. I'm gonna do like little small pieces of flat iron it. I'm not trying to have it straight though. That's not my ordeal. I just want to put a little heat on it first. Oh, gonna burn my lip finger. I don't know if I should spill the tea with y'all. I know I want to talk to y'all, but I don't know if I want to do it as a story time. I feel like I should chit chat with y'all right now, though. You know what I'm saying? Cause this finna take me a little minute. So I'm gonna start with the back. I don't know if I should chit chat with y'all or not. Like I want to. I don't know what was the point of me flat-ironing it and then doing it. I just use these scrunchie things, y'all, just to hold my hair. At this point, I know it's gonna take me a little minute, so I'm gonna just get back with y'all. I know y'all can't see my face. I'm gonna just get back with y'all when I'm finished curling my hair and like gonna do my baby hairs, so y'all can see how I do that. Cause I know it's gonna take me a little minute doing this, cause it's taking me a little minute. Okay, guys, so I'm sorry, but my light went dead. I have this new light thingy and it went dead. So this is why I made it so far with the curls. So only thing left I got to do, I had to do both sides, guys, before I came back. Only thing now I have to do is my top part right here, my edges, and this part, so I can bump it down right here. That's gonna be the last thing I got to do. I really like this. This is real cute. Let me stand up. This is really pretty. If y'all want to see me do more hair videos, because you know I don't have to say it. I lie. Anyways, if you guys want to see me do more hair videos, make sure you like and comment down below if you want me to do more hair videos, because I really enjoy doing this video. I'm not done, guys. I'm gonna actually show you how to style it in the front. I'm really gonna keep my middle part and do my baby hairs and stuff, and show you like some of the edits that, some of the Snapchat stuff that I did on Snapchat after I finished or whatnot. So let me show you guys how to style the baby hairs and get this part together. Okay guys, that's pretty much all for this video. I just used Got To Be Glued, my brush, and my crinkler, and my flat iron to straighten the top part. That was pretty much it for this video. This is a very, very simple video. It was only 4 steps, well 5. It was really, really simple. I really, really like this style, and I hope you guys try this out. This is a really, 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 really pretty thing. I really like it. This was very pretty. Yes, I really like it. So I'm gonna show y'all some videos or pictures I do with it. I really hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. To my new people that's joining, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see next down below. And don't forget to share it with your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Peace.